Every year, plants die quietly while their owners are away. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but slowly, silently. Leaves fade, roots suffocate, and damage builds beneath the surface. Most owners never realize their mistake happened long before the trip even began. Is your plant already doomed? Or is it just waiting for your care? This guide breaks down how plants actually survive time alone, step by step, and exposes the advice that causes more harm than help. The most common mistake is not forgetting to water. The real failure is treating all plants as if they behave the same. Different plants absorb water at different rates, store moisture differently, react to stress in different ways. When one method is applied to everything, some plants stay too wet, while others dry out. Contrary to popular belief, most indoor plants do not die from thirst during short trips. They die from oxygen deprivation in waterlogged soil. Understanding this changes everything. Before choosing any watering method, plants must be separated into groups. 3 categories matter. Plants that prefer consistently moist soil. Plants that tolerate light drying between watering. Plants that quickly decline when overwatered. This step determines survival. Skipping it guarantees loss, regardless of the method used. Heavy watering before travel is widely recommended. That advice is misleading. Healthy soil must hold moisture while still allowing air to reach the roots. 2 days before leaving, plants should receive normal watering, not excess water. Drainage must be checked. If water pools at the bottom of a container, roots begin to suffocate long before the soil surface dries. No watering system can correct poor drainage. If you're enjoying these gardening tips and want to keep your plants thriving, hit that subscribe button for more practical, easy-to-follow advice. For short absences, complex watering systems are often unnecessary. Instead, stress is reduced by moving plants away from harsh sunlight, softening light with curtains, lowering heat and air movement. Reduced evaporation protects soil moisture longer than most hacks. For trips under 4 days, environment control is safer than additional watering. Longer trips require moisture that is slow and predictable. Popular solutions deserve honesty. Bottle systems. They work only when soil drains well and containers are correctly sized. Uneven flow causes either drought or saturation. Wick or string systems. These depend entirely on soil texture and capillary action. Without testing days in advance, failure is common. Any method set up on departure day is a gamble. Consistency, not volume, keeps roots alive. Several common habits cause delayed damage. Overwatering just to be safe. Trusting untested systems. Applying one solution to all plants. Ignoring existing plant stress. Plants survive absence through stability, not excess care. If stress already exists, travel preparation magnifies the problem. Keeping plants alive during travel is not about clever tricks. It depends on the following. Understanding plant differences. Reducing environmental stress. Maintaining airflow in soil. Avoiding panic decisions. When these conditions are met, most plants recover easily after time alone. And when one doesn't, it isn't bad luck. It's information. That understanding is what separates plant owners from confident plant caretakers. Like, share and subscribe for